This is the Differential Drive Odometry Calculator, which computes the new position and orientation of a differential drive robot based on wheel movements. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have left wheel distance, DL, where you enter how far the left wheel has traveled. Next is right wheel distance, DR, for the right wheel's travel distance. The wheelbase L is the distance between your two wheels. Then we have current X, current Y, and current theta, which represent your robot's starting position and orientation angle. Click Calculate New Position to run the computation. The calculator processes these inputs to determine your robot's new state. The results show your new X position, new Y position, and new theta orientation angle after the wheel movements. It also calculates the total distance traveled by the robot's center point and the angle change in radians. These values are essential for tracking your robot's path through space, whether you're programming autonomous navigation or analyzing recorded movements. This odometry calculation forms the foundation of most differential drive robot positioning systems. Find the link in the description below.